Using MLA, the reality. You have been provided with multiple learning tools concerning MLA. You must do your due diligence when it comes to watching and/or looking over the information that is provided to you. This is a difficult process, but you must be able to recognize errors. The reality is that you need to learn how to cite information that you use in your essays. This is necessary for all classes. Sadly, plagiarism, using someone else's information as your own without citation, can lead you to automatically failing a class or being kicked out of college altogether. Plagiarism is completely against any code of conduct in any college. However, I do know that many students struggle with the works cited portion of the essay. The following pages will give you a way to make the works cited information easier. This generator will not need to be used when your sources come from one of the library databases, as they provide you with the citation. Nonetheless, when you use this generator, you will be responsible for all citations generated. You need to check them to make sure they are correct. Additionally, you will still be responsible for all the parenthetical citations. Please take time necessary to learn the MLA rules. Using MLA citation generators. For this class, I will let you use the MLA generator located online at this website address, www.easybib.com. This does not always generate the perfect citation for your source. Since this is the case, you need to make sure that you insert the correct information and check your citation once it is generated. Here is an example. The name of the website is procon.org. Title of the work is Do Standardized Tests Improve Education in America? The author is staff. The reason for this is because procon.org has articles written by multiple different people. Because this is the case, whenever you are putting in your works cited information, the author will not be important, as staff is not a correct author. Date accessed 1/19/2020. Last updated 5/24/2019. This just explains how to apply information to the generator. Then you will fill out the information. You can try the website search link. However, commonly information is missed, so you need to check it over or click on the I'll enter the source information manually button. Using the information from a website. Here is the same information that was given previously. You need to make sure that you insert the correct information into the corresponding boxes. If you check down at the bottom of the form, it says Add Annotation. Any online source needs to have the annotation of the date accessed. Then you will click on Complete Citation. A citation will be generated for you. Make sure you look over the citation carefully. While looking over this citation, there are some obvious issues. The author name, the location of the access date, and the capitalization of NP. You'll click the button next to the citation to copy it, and you will be able to paste it to your Word document Works Cited page. This would be the corrected citation. For this example, I am using the information from the book titled The Jungle Book you can see the information that I inserted into the corresponding boxes. Then you would add that citation to your Works Cited page. Remember, citations need to be in alphabetical order. Once your Works Cited page is complete, it should look something like this.